Hello, this is Jonathan 1990 Country Walks, and today I'm going to be covering two walks. I'm going back to Dalby Forest to cover the Waitcliffe Trail and the Deepdale Habitat Trail. Now, this could be the intro for both videos, so whichever one you're watching, I'm going to be there at Bickley car park now. So, first I'm covering this one. The Waitcliffe Trail, the Waitcliffe one. So this is the first of a double episode, because the person who was originally going to cover this first walk, who actually did the Crosscliff Red Trail, can't do it due to medical issues. So yeah, here it is. The Waitcliffe Yellow Trail from Bickley in Dalby Forest. You head down a wide track here now, and for pretty much the rest of the trail. From here, the blue route, which I am going to cover a bit later today, does go straight on, but for the one I'm doing just at the moment, it's this way. So the main purpose of this walk is to bring you out to here. It is a family friendly walk, of course, which is great seeing Dalby Forest. And that's supposed to be the viewpoint over there. Not much, but this is what it takes you to see this walk. And then you just head back to the car park after this. So yeah, it's back now through this sheltered area, through these trees. Another little viewpoint there on the trail. So yeah, it's nearly at the end now. So yeah, this is just coming to the end now. So yeah, this is where this episode ends, just a very short one, because it's a very short family friendly type walk. So the next episode is to start work on in just a few minutes. So until then, see you.